गवर्नमेंट ऑफ कर्नाटका आदर्श विद्यालय RMSA चिकमचौगुड तालुक बदामी डिस्ट्रिक्ट बागलकोट. This is self-learning material. Our Honorable Headmaster Mr. Ramchandra S. Bhajantri sir. The subject is Mathematics, Class 6, Chapter Knowing Our Numbers. Here, subject teachers, me, that is Mr. Ramesh Kattikai, Mrs. Renuka Siskar ma'am, third one, Mrs. Kirti Badigar ma'am. First, now we have to understand about the competencies of the chapter Knowing Our Numbers. First one, Indian System of Numeration or Indian Number System. Second one, International System of Numeration. Third one, use of commas, comparing numbers, that's identifying smallest and greatest number, and framing smallest and greatest numbers. Fifth one, ascending and descending order. Sixth one, expansion of numbers. Okay, these are the 6 competencies from this chapter. Now we have to recapitulate about the previous class regarding this chapter. First one, numbers till thousands place. We have to understand numbers till thousands place. First, take one example, that is 2345. If we write in the form of number, we have to write in the form of words like this: 2345. Then here second one, which is greatest number in given 4 numbers. First one, that is a 456. Second number 7863. Third number 54. Fourth number 500. In these 4 numbers, we have to identify first there are different digits. The numbers are having different digits. So which number is having highest digits is the greatest number here. Okay, if you consider that here second number is having 4 digits, others are having, first number is having 3, third number is having 2, and fourth number is having 3. That's why here 7860 is the greatest number. Okay, now come to the next example, that is third one, make greatest and smallest 4 digit number from 6742. Okay, here by in order to form greatest number, we have to identify first bigger digit. Here 7 is the bigger digit number here, so we have to take 7, then smaller is 6, then again smaller is 4, then 2 is the smallest. Okay, that's why here greatest number is 7642. Then we have to consider a smallest number. We have to frame smallest number. In order to frame smallest number, first take a smallest digit, that is 2, then 4, then 6, then 7. Okay, so the smallest number is 2467. Next, fourth one, that is arrange in ascending order. We have to arrange the given numbers in ascending order. Students, you know, ascending order means first we have to take the smallest number from the given numbers. Smallest number. First, that is 4 numbers. We have to identify 4 numbers. That is 6574, 8764, 4070, 7743. Here these are the given numbers. From these given numbers we have to write, or we have to arrange those in ascending order. Here first smallest number is 4070. Okay, smallest number is 4070. Then second somewhat bigger number is 6574. Then 7743. Last very greatest number from given number is 8764. So ascending order is 4070, next 6574, 7743, 8764. Okay, yes. After knowing all this, we have to identify, or we have to take some examples here. For example, 6474, then 5075, 8750, 4085. In these, from these given numbers, we have to arrange these numbers in descending order. Okay, in order to arrange the numbers in descending order, we have to first take the greatest number here. Here greatest number is 8750, first number. Okay, then smallest number is, small number is 2, 6774. Then again smaller is, that is 5075. This is 3, then this is 4. Okay, so in order to arrange in descending order, first we have to write 8750, then second one 6474. Okay, then third one this one, fourth one this one. Okay, we have to write, if we write like this, it is in descending order. Okay, next come to the second slide, that is about Indian place value chart. Here first one, take ones. Okay, then tens, then hundreds, then thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakhs, then here crore, 10 crore. Okay, if we write a number according to this chart, according to this table, here 5 is there, 9, 2, 8, 1, 3, 6, 4, 7. Okay, then we have to read this one. 5 means here it is in 10 crores, that's why it is a 50 crore. 9 is in crores place, so this is 9 crore. Then 2 is in 10 lakh, that's why it is 20 lakh. Then 8 is in lakh, that's why it is 8 lakh. Then here 10,000, 1 is in 1,000 place, that's why it is 10,000. Then 3 is in 1,000 place, that's why it is 3,000. Then 6 is in 100 place, so it is 600. 4 is in tens place, so it is 40. 7 is in ones place, that's why it's 7. So from this given number, how we have to write, and also we can expand the number here. For example, first one 50 crore means 5 into here 10 crore. That is next one, 9 is in crores place, that's why 9 into 1 crore. 2 is 10 lakh place, so 2 into 10 lakh. Then 8 is in lakh place, so it is 8 into 1 lakh. 1 is in 10,000's place, so 1 into 10,000. 3 is in 10,000 place, that's why it is 3 into 1000. 6 in hundreds place, so 6 into 100. 4 is in 10 place, that's why 4 into 10. Then 7 is in 1's place, so it's 7 into 1. Okay, next, here after knowing this expansion, we have to understand the uh, how to expand the given number here. 25,567 is there. Okay, we have to expand this. We have to understand how to expand already. Okay, here this number. Okay, this number 25,567. Here 25,567. 2 is means 2 is in 10,000's place. That's why 20,000. Okay, then 5 is in thousands place, this is 5,000. Then 5 again, 5 is there in hundreds place, again 6 is there in tens place, that's why it is 60. 7 is in ones place, so it is 7 only. So we have to expand this again. 20,000 means 2 into 10,000. Okay, then 5,000 means 5 into 1,000. Then 500 means 5 into 100. Then 6 it is in tens place, so it is 6 into 10. 7 into 1. Like this we can expand the number. In order to expand, we have to identify the place, that number or that digit is in which place. First we have to write that digit and into, then the place value. Okay, that is 10,000 or crore or like this. We have to expand the given number like this. Now come to the next slide, that is introducing 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore like this. First one, we know already about 9,999. If we add plus 1 or 1, that becomes 10,000. Here 9,999 is the greatest number in 4 digits. Okay, 4 digits greatest number is 9,999. If we add 1, that becomes 10,000. 10,000 is the smallest 5 digit number. Smallest 5 digit number. Then if you take 99,999 plus 1, that's equal to 1 lakh. Here 99,999 is the greatest 5 digit number. For greatest 5 digit number, if you add 1, that becomes smallest 6 digit number, that is 1 lakh. Okay, like this it happens. Here 6 digits highest or greatest number is 9,99,999 plus 1 gives 10 lakh. Same way here 7 digit greatest number, that is 99,99,999 plus 1, that gives 1 crore. Then come to the next, that is here 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. This is 8 digits greatest number. If we add 1, that becomes 9 digits smallest number, that is smallest number. 9 digits smallest number is 10 crore. 10 crore. Okay, so like this it happens. Now come to the 100. Here 100 is there. 100 is equal to 10 tens. 10 tens. 10 tens means 10 into 10. 10 into 10 gives 100. Then come to the 1000. 1000. Here 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. 10 hundreds. Okay, now next come to the 10,000. 10,000 is equal to 100 hundreds. 100 means 100 into 100. 100 into 100 gives 10,000. Next come to the 1 lakh. 1 lakh is equal to 100 thousands. 100 thousands. That is equal to 10,000. 1 lakh is equal to 10,000s or 100 thousands. Then 1 crore is equal to 100 lakhs. That's equal to 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs. Then 10,000 thousands. 1 crore is equal to 10,000 thousands. 1 crore is equal to 100 lakhs. 1 crore is equal to 10 lakhs. Like this. We have to understand all this. Then after knowing this, we have to move to the next, that is write names of following numbers. Write names. Write names means we have to write those in words. First example is there. That is, the number is 56 crore 31 lakh 29,847. This is the number here. We have to write this number in words or write names. They can ask write names of numbers. Same, both are. Next, come to the answer. 56 crore, then 31 lakh 29,847. Okay. Then come to the second example, that is here 45 crore 36 lakh 20,100. Okay, we have to write in words or the names of name of this word, this number. 45 crore 36 lakh 20,100. Okay. Next, come to the next example, that is 31 crore 50,005. Okay, 31 crore 50,005. We have to write here half done it is. You have to fill it. 31 crore is there, then write 50,005. Okay, you have to fill it. Next, come to the there are some problems. 4 numbers are given. You have to write all the 4 numbers in words or write the names of 4 numbers. Okay. Then come to the next one, that is use commas in Indian system of numeration. First one, we put commas for 3 digits from right to the number. We have to identify this. We put commas for 3 digits from right side to the number. First point. Second point, then put commas to every 2 digits. First for 3 digits, then for every 2 digits. Now one example is there. Okay, 3 4 2 5 6 1 7 8. After using commas, it is like this. From 8 7 1. After 1 we have to put a comma. Means for first we have to give for 3 digit. We have to give comma for 3 digit. Next, for every 2 digits we have to put comma. Okay, so it is become 3 crore 42 lakh 56,178. Same way you have to put comma for these 2 numbers. Again, some numbers are given, 5 numbers are given. You have to put comma and read the number. Okay. Now here international system of numeration is there. In this international system of numeration, here ones are there. Ones means first 3 digits. Then thousands. For thousands, 3 digits are there. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. For millions, 3 digits are there. Million, 10 million and 100 million. Okay. Here how to read and how to put comma for international number system, or for international, or the number for in the form of international system. Okay, First one, reading the above number in international system of numeration. Okay, that is 576,190,234. This is the given number. Okay, 576 million 7, that is a 190,000 and 234. This is one number in international system. It is the way of reading. Then come to the second number, and here after knowing the second number, there are 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. We should understand 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. That's equal to 10,100,000. 10,100,000. Okay, and also there is a link. There is a link. You can see this link. It is in the form of in the PDF form also. Okay, we can send in the PDF form also. If you click this link, you can get the video regarding this concept. Okay, here is also YouTube link. You can click here. Okay, yes, here after knowing this international system of numeration, I would like to take one example for that. Okay, here for example, here 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Here after giving this number, they told to put commas in the system of international numeration. For that, we have to put comma first for 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Here we have to put comma here. Okay. Once again, the number is, I write like number like this: 6, 2, 7, 4, 5, 2, 3. Okay. These are the numbers. Okay. Here we should give commas. First number, second number, third number. For third number, you have to put comma. Again, 1, 2, 3. Again, we have to put comma. This is ones, this is thousands, this is million. Okay, this is million, thousand, ones. So, how to read this one? How to read? Here, 6,274,523 only. Don't try to don't tell once. That's once itself. Okay. Once again, 6,274,523. This is the way of reading in international system. Okay. Now we have to go to the next one. 8, 2, 3, 4, 0, 5, 6, 1. Okay. For this international system, we have to put the comma for first, for every 3 digits. We should remember that we have to put comma for 3 digits, every 3 digits. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here we should put comma here. Okay. Here this is millions place. This is thousands place. This is ones. Okay. Read this one. 82,340,561. This is the way of reading the numbers in international system of numeration. Okay. Yes. Putting commas and reading the numbers in international system. Okay, this is all about which I told now. Okay, in international system of numeration, see here, in international system of numeration, we can insert commas for every 3 digits from right side to the number. From right side means from here, first number, second number, like this, from right side to the number. Here one example is there, that is 2300,873 is there. We have to put comma. Okay, here for every 3 digits, here is comma. Okay, means it is in between 0 and 8, then in between 2 and 3, because every we have to leave 3 digits. Then how to read this one? This is millions place, 2 is millions place, 300 is thousands place, 873 is ones. So 2,300,873. Okay, like this we can read the number. Okay, here homework is there. Some numbers are given to put comma and read and write in international system of numeration. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you all.